Is it recording now?
Yeah. Cussing. I don't even know how to edit good yet, so my own safety. There is power. No, I think you got it. There we go.
Off a bike, dude.
Yo, no, I'm not gonna see you guys every day anymore.
Yo, Yuri, if that actually happens now,
I know you're gonna say that.
it's on recording.
Yeah. I know you're gonna say that.
So you're cooking.
Bro, half of this stuff I'm editing out. You guys think I'm putting this in, bro?
No,
you guys
you
are...
fucking... That big of a screw?
Yeah, it's pretty big. It's just silk on the back.
Yo.
Why are you guys acting like it's your money or something?
Well, we don't use the...
Dedim się треба. You need to use the knob.
First trunk.